Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, we are purchasing domain on Google. So how will we activate control panel? That mean by cpanel. So in this particular domain, how will be creating for cpanel? In the cpanel, how will be create and how to log in? First of all, cpanel will be create only for reseller hoster. Who will be create reseller hoster will be create. First of all, create account here. In this, we have to select on your particular domain. So before I have existing login options are there here. Next, we have to add your username. Same domain name we can add as a username option. So this will be compulsory we can use in a particular option. So this all option will be help on the particular using for resource and create the password. So I'm writing the password. So you can add your record email ID, select your package option, limit package, so that all will be here. Now I'm selecting for unlimited package. You can go to option will be here automatically. So everything will be set at common option. Here import option will be called your username, your password is more important. Username and your particular password. That is a major impact to create your particular cpanel. Yeah, wait for a second. Now this all will be created here. Final option will be create the cpanel. So this all option nothing but only mandatory field. What are the your package you create? Everything will be important. So here I'm creating for all options will be created will be here. Now it is going to create your particular cpanel option. These are nothing but to activate your website in a particular option. So anybody now it done my option, go to control panel. It open your control panel option. Here they accepting create email, email account, everything will be here in a particular options. So these all options will be created in your particular things. So here you can check these all options. Disk usage, everything will be. Now, if you open this website, the showing will be 403 forbidden. So the reason nothing but we are creating for cpanel, but we can't upload the any content in your particular website. So that is called the showing for this much of option. It's taking some time to activate your particular option will be in a cpanel option. In this very before creating cpanel, you don't forget to update the DNS option. This already I'm explained the previous video how you can update by the DNS on your particular website. That all will be help to this in a particular option. So after this few moments, your cpanel will be create the showing for 403 forbidden error. So this is rectification. You can upload content on your website using file manager option. In this option name is called public underscore HTML. Once it's done, the automatically will be create the file will be showing your website to activate your particular option. So this method will be follow to create a cpanel on your particular website to activate a particular code. This will be help once upload the content, the error will be removed on your particular website. So anything you're getting from 403 forbidden error nothing but your website will be create cpanel. The website have no data. They will be showing option is called 403 forbidden error. So first of all, I'm creating cpanel using WHM. After creating will be account. In the file manager, public underscore HTML, upload the content. The error will be removed 403 forbidden error. You can add your content on the based on your website requirement. This method will be followed to create a cpanel, any new domain, any new website purpose. The cpanel nothing but total control panel depend on the cpanel option. If anything doubt about the cpanel, you can contact me in this channel. I definitely support how we'll be creating cpanel, so how we can purchase resale hosting, so how is activating the WHM. This all will be discussed on the particular our channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.